Hello, this video is an overview of the Owner Web Access Portal with Lava Ridge Property Management. To access your Owner Web Portal, you can log on to the Lava Ridge website at lavaridgerentals.com, and on the right side there's an icon for Investor Login. When you click here, if you've already logged into your account, hopefully your username and password are saved here and you can sign right in. If you have not created an account, please contact Lava Ridge Property Management so we can send you the link and information to create this account. If you've forgotten your password, of course, you can select Forgot Password right here to be emailed a link to reset your password. So let's go ahead on in and I will show you around the Owner Web Access Portal. So this is a dashboard of our Owner Web Access Portal and everything that you will see on your end getting into your account. The top orange toolbar has multiple pages that you can toggle between, as well as a drop-down menu with the same pages on the left column. The dashboard is an overview of each page, basic information and overviews. We do have a message board for specific or special messages we want to send to you, an overview of your ownership, notes on your property, bills that are paid or to be paid, inspection reports, management fees, as we scroll down, owner distribution payments, and service issues. As we go along the pages, let's go into your bill section. This is by filter. So your dashboard logs what is on your filter. That is why the bills page is blank. But when you go in to your bills page here, or you can go into your bills page here, or you can open up and expand this page right here by clicking this pop out. There is a filter section, so you can filter and look at bills that are through a certain date range. The filters are with bill dates, due dates, paid or unpaid, or both. If you have multiple properties, you can choose your ownership, and if there's a specific vendor you want to look at bills for, you can select that as well. This lists all your bills. It tells you whether they are paid or not, the check number that was used to pay them, and the amount. Of course, bill date and due date are included. Owner distributions, this is a list of all of the payments that were made to you, the amount and the time. You can hit these arrows and it breaks down if you have multiple properties. Management fees, this is a list of all management fees, again with filter tabs. Please remember that management fees are not just the percentage or flat rate management fee to manage your property. This is for every fee that might be associated with your property, not just the management fee, although it is titled management fee. This will include fees like cancellation fees, lease buyout fees, late fees, application fees. So any fee that is charged on to the property will be listed here. Service issues, this is a list of all of the open, pending, and active service issues on your property, the open date, whether they are closed, the status of where they are at, a brief overview, the title of the service issue, description. You can open up any one of these items and get more detail and take a look at those notes as well. That is your service issue page, again, with the same filters, being able to select specific date ranges, as well as whether you want to look at open, closed, or both. Reports. This is where you can run specific reports on your properties. There are 10 reports that are here available for you to run yourself. Any one of these reports can have filtered dates. So if you want to look at the bills paid, you can choose a date range. You can select a vendor if you'd like, a different property, whether it's inactive. You can choose to run your property separately. The other reports you can run are delinquency, if you have move-in and move-outs, your bank balance, any open payables, the owner's statement, rent roll and reoccurring charges, a unit profit and loss, unit transaction listings, and a vacancy report. All can be pulled right here from your owner portal. Make contributions. This is for when sometimes we have bills that unfortunately are more than what the balance in the owner's bank account is, or more than what the rent is going to come in on the property. If we do need for you to make an owner contribution, you can choose whether you want to do checking, savings, or use your credit card. Please remember that if you use your credit card, there is an additional fee of 2.75% that will be charged onto any amount that you contribute to your account. If you do it checking or savings using ACH, which is with your routing and checking account numbers, those transactions are free. So once you select the amount you would like to contribute to your property and select continue, then you can put in information, your account number, your routing number, and your billing information. Again, making sure that you understand there will be a 2.75% charge addition if you use a debit or a credit card, and we take Visa or MasterCards. History and notes. These are specific history and notes to your property. They are going to be your reports that we sent you, copies of your bills. There's going to be drive-by inspections in here. There's going to be delinquency reports, all the way down to lease renewals and new rental agreements. So you can take a look at those. Here's a rental agreement. You can come back in here. I think I saw a drive-by inspection up here. Here's a drive-by inspection. We can see that drive-by, so we can see our property anytime. If there was a renewal offer, it would be in here. If there was a violation, it would be in here. Any documents that we send to the renter would be in here, as well as your reports that we send to you. Inspection reports. These are the inspections that were performed at your property. Again, filtered by date, and you can choose if you have multiple properties, which property. But the inspection report will be here. You can select this paperclip looking icon, which will open up your full inspection report with the pictures involved and attached to it. Again, this is an overview of the Owner Web Access Portal for our owners at Lava Ridge Property Management. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.